Hi guys, today I want to share my thoughts of DJI's Mini 3 Pro drone, which I've had since launch. Okay, first off, being only 249 grams, this drone makes it a more viable option than other bigger, heavier drones, as you can fly in more areas. Also, it has a great low light capabilities due to the bigger sensor size than the Mini 2. Tracking on this drone is very good and useful for vlogging, but care is needed as it is not foolproof. Obstacle avoidance does work, but not to be trusted in really dense areas. I like the master shots. They're a quick, fun way of creating footage without too much input from the pilot. Something I noticed straight away is how quiet this drone is. It really surprised me. It's a lot more quieter than the Mini 2. I think also that it does perform better in windy conditions than the Mini 2. Return to home is also very reliable as it was on the Mini 2. Okay, I've not encountered bad range issues as others have reported. I would say the range has been equal or better than the Mini 2. Time-lapse and hyperlapses are perhaps my favourite feature of the Mini 3 Pro. It really is a fun way to be creative. I like the RC, it feels really good in my hands, and the controls are responsive. It feels really good to fly this drone with the RC. I like also that I don't have to use my phone for a screen. Okay, so the only time I had any problems with this Mini 3 was when the RC screen froze during mid-flight. So I took it home, contacted customer support, and they advised I change the SD card in the RC for a SanDisk Extreme one. The reason being that at the time I was flying, I was screen recording and I was using an SD card that wasn't compatible, but switching to an SanDisk Extreme one resolved that problem. Something else I've done is I've bought a plus battery from China because they don't sell them here in the UK, and it's made this drone an absolute beast. It means I can fly for longer, which is useful for hyperlapses, time lapses, which drain the battery right down really fast. On the whole, I'm extremely pleased with the Mini 3 Pro. It is a great upgrade from the Mini 2. The new features really add new ways to be creative. Okay guys, this concludes my short assessment of DJI's Mini 3 Pro. Please like and leave a comment if you can. Okay, cheers, bye.